Hey, what's up you all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I am going to be doing a faux lock look using crochet hair. Before I start, please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell notification so you'll always get the chance to see when I upload. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So I am using Freetress Soft Faux Locks. I use a total of 5 packs. And one different pack for the different look to make it more so a goddess look, if that makes any sense. As you can see, her hair is braided straight to the back in a total of 6 braids. Now going in with one piece of crochet hair and my needle, pulling her hair that is hanging out upwards to hide her hair from showing. At this point, I am securing her hair down so that it won't be a problem later with her hair coming out and peeking through the crochet hair. Now at this point, I'm just filling everything in from the back and working my way toward the top. So we all can see that she loves her hair. So now I'm just using some coconut milk oil and I'm going to rub that throughout it just to add some shine. And then after that, I'm going to use my Gorilla Snot to do her edges. Now, if you like, you could go ahead and add an extra pack to this hair to make it more full, but she didn't want it to look very full, so that's why I didn't use so many. But yeah, if you would like it to be really full and everything, just go ahead and add an extra pack. This is me going ahead and using my Gorilla Snot, and I'm going to create some baby hairs and style her edges.
By yours truly, Janelle. Get it done.
So that is the end of this video. I really hope you all enjoy watching me create this look for my client. If you would like to continue to see more of my videos, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click the bell notification so you'll always get the chance to see when I'm uploading. Also, go follow me on all my social media platforms. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Attention is expensive to pay.